Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to ICT Hub. The topic that we are going to discuss today is Introduction to HTML. And the subtopics are: what is HTML? What are HTML tags? Structure of HTML document? What are the types of HTML tags? We will discuss about heading, font and text formatting elements. So starting with the topic of today's video, like what is HTML? HTML, the full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. It is not a programming language, it's a markup language which consists of tags and elements. It is used for creating or describing web pages. So, what is a web page? Web page is the collection of information provided by a website and displayed to a user in a web browser. A collection of web pages is called a website. All of you know what about the website. It is also the hypertext document connected to the World Wide Web or WWW. So you can see it's a markup language for describing the structure of a web page. It consists of elements of small markup tags. These are the building blocks of HTML page. It tells browser how to display the content. With HTML, you can create your own website. So HTML is used for creating web pages or websites. A document written in HTML viewed in an internet browser like Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer. It can be accessed by entering a URL address into a browser's address bar, like the web address of that website or a web page like www.google.com. It may contain text, graphics and hyperlinks to other web pages. Even you can link different web pages with a single website. And it is quite interesting to work in HTML. Advantages of advantages or the benefits of HTML. Let me explain the benefits. First one, it is easy to learn and execute commands in very less time. It is easy to learn because all the tags are in English language and they are easy to memorize. Number two, it is platform independent. It means it can execute it on any operating system, not machine dependent. It can be operate on any system. Third advantage is better layout control. It provides different tools to make document look more attractive. Like it provides paragraph alignment feature. You can insert an image, a table, and animated text or graphics. So it also reduces your work. And absolute positioning means it allows linking of different pages or different web pages, and it also provides the feature to add tables or frames for better user interaction or better setting of your page. Let's have a look on HTML tags. What are HTML tags? HTML tags are the keywords surrounded by angle brackets. You can see that all the tags are written in angle brackets. Normally tags come in pairs. The first one is the starting tag and the second one with the slash is called the ending tag. HTML tags are not case sensitive. When you type in between the body tag, the content that will appear on the web page, the text in between the title will appear on the title bar. Here you can see that all the tags have the starting and the ending tag. The starting tag is simple and the ending tag contains a slash, which means it is the stop tag. Here you can see the structure of an HTML document, or how can you write a code in HTML. It always starts with an HTML starting and ending tag, and inside the HTML tag we have two main parts. The first one is the head tag and the second one is the body tag. In the head tag we write the title. Title will appear on the title bar, and inside the body all the things that you want to be appear on the screen are written in the body, or the content is written in the body tag. So here you can see that we have a starting HTML and ending HTML tag with a slash, and inside the HTML we have the head tag. Inside the head tag we have written the title, and then we close the head tag. The title will be appear on the screen, and in the body you will write anything that you want to be appear on the screen or on the web page. So the steps how to start a web page or how to write a first code in the HTML, the steps are given over here. First of all, you have to write the code on in Notepad. The steps are: you can click on the Start button on the desktop, or choose the Accessories option from the Programs menu. Click on the Notepad option to open the Notepad editor. So in the Notepad you will write the code, like the full code or the structure that we have already discussed. You will write the code in Notepad as it is, and in the Notepad type the code, and then you will save the code with the extension .html. So when you will save with the extension of .html, it will be converted into a web page, and you can view this web page by these web browsers like Internet Explorer, Netscape, Navigator, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox. So it will be viewed as a web page. As we know that the code is written in some text editor or in the Notepad, so the text editor is a program that will allow you to edit plain text files, and you can write the code in the Notepad. And different text editors are used for writing the HTML tags or elements. Here you can see you can use Notepad, WordPad or Microsoft Word. And when you have saved your program with the extension of .html, you can view your web page through some web browser. And what is a web browser? It is a software application which enables a user to display and interact with text, images, videos, music and other information. Typically located on a web page at a website on the World Wide Web. Here you can see different examples of these web browsers: Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Apple, Safari, Opera, Omni, Web. So you can view your web page by using any of these web browsers. So how can you write a code with an HTML? Here you can see, as we have already discussed the structure of an HTML document. So you can write the code in the Notepad, and you will save the code with the extension .html, and click on that web page, and you can see the output as in the output is given below. Here we have given a welcome message, welcome to ICT Hub in the body, and all the content that you will write in the body tag will be appear on the screen or on your web page. So it is quite easy to write a code in HTML. You just have to write the elements or tags in Notepad, and then you will save with the extension of .html, and you can have a look on this web page by using any of the web browser. But take care when you are writing the code, you have to write start with an HTML start and end with an HTML tag, and always start with the head and the body part. Inside the head you will write the title tag, and inside the body you will write anything that you want to appear on the screen. Okay, so what are the steps to save your document or save your web page? Okay, when you are saving a web page, you have to click on the file menu and select save option, and select all files option from the save as type box. In the save as dialog box, type the file name, any name that you want to save with that name. Click on the save button to save your web page, and don't forget to write the extension .html, otherwise it will save your page as a text page or a notepad page. So if you want to convert your page into a web page, you will write the extension .html. Here you can see like the name is index.html, so it will convert it into a. How can you view your HTML document in Internet Explorer? Explore where you have saved your file, in which drive, wherever you have saved your work. Double click on the file and you can view your existing HTML document. Okay, the most interesting and informative part of today's lesson is the types of HTML tags. It is very important to know about what are the main types of HTML tags and what is the main difference between HTML tags. Here we have two different types of tags, or the tags are categorized into two main types. The first one is the container element and second one is the empty element. In container elements we have two tags. The first one is the starting tag and the second one is the ending tag. In the starting tag we don't have the slash, but in the ending or the closing tag we have a slash, and inside these tags we have the content. So they are called container elements, which have two tags, starting and the ending tag. But in the empty element we don't have the ending tag, we only have the starting tag. Like different tags, examples, BR tag. BR is used to break the line. Where you want to break your line in the web page, you will use the BR tag. Normally all the tags come in different tags in the starting and the ending tag, but there are some tags which are empty tags and they don't have their ending tag. Okay, so these are the main elements or the main tags of HTML. So the first tag is HTML tag, which describes the web page that is to be viewed by a web browser. It is the most important tag of HTML web page. It is a container element which has both the starting and the ending tag. It identifies the document as HTML document. It indicates that the content of a file is in HTML. It is not visible when displayed on the web browser, but it gives a hint to the browser that the document is an HTML document. The second one is the head tag, which defines the header section of the web page. It indicates the title, script use, style definitions, and the document description. Basically, it contains the metadata or the meta information, like information about something, about a document or a web page. According to HTML standard, only a few tags such as base, link, meta, title, style, and script are used under the head element. So it is used in the header section. The third one is the title tag. It shows a caption in the title bar of the web page. It is displayed on the topmost bar of the web browser. This element is used inside the head tag. The last and the most important tag is the body tag. It shows the content of a web page will be on the screen. It encloses all the tags, attributes and information that you want the visitor's browser to display. It forms the body of an HTML page. So whatever you will write in the body tag, it will appear on the screen or on the web page. So we are moving to the text formatting tag. Whenever you are adding text in your web page, what are different text tags? The first one is the heading elements. Inside the heading elements, you can add headings of different levels from H1 to H6. H1 will print the largest heading and H6 will print the smallest heading. So they break up large areas of text, announce topics to follow, and information of all ranges according to the logical hierarchy. So let's have an example. Here I am taking H1 to H6, 6 headings, and the content is ICT Hub. This is the output of this web code. You can see that H1 displays the largest heading and H6 displays the smallest heading. Describing your text. The syntax is given over here, and at the last topic of today's video is the font tag. What is a font tag? It enables you to change the color, font, size and alignment of the text on a web page. And size, color and face are the attribute of the font element. We can use different fonts like Calibri, Times New Roman, and different colors can be used inside the font to change the font color. And the size. The size ranges from 1 to 7. In the second line, we use green color, size 6, and the face is Comic Sans MS. So by using font tag, you can use the size and style of the font. These are the attributes of font tag. And you can also change your text in bold, italic and underline by using B tag for bold, I tag for italic and U tag for underline. These are also the container elements. You can write the content inside the starting and the ending tag of B, I and U tag. Here is the output of this program. This will help you to write the codes for making better HTML programs. So by using different text formatting tags, you can apply changes on your text. You can use the bold, italic, underline feature, or you can change the font style, color and size and different heading levels. I hope now you understand what is HTML, what are the tags or the elements of HTML, the structure of HTML, how to write a code, how to save or view a code in HTML, and what are the basic elements of HTML. I hope you will understand these all concepts. This is it for today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for more videos.